Hello everyone, you all are welcome back again to this amazing channel. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be making chicken sausage roll, and if you enjoy watching this video, do like and share. So to make this delicious sausage roll, first take out your mixing bowl and your measuring cup. Then add the 2 cups of all-purpose flour into your mixing bowl. Then add your sugar, add baking powder and also a pinch of salt. Then use a whisk to stir it to mix everything together. So let's go ahead and add your soft butter, and make sure you are using unsalted butter for this recipe. Then use your fingertips to mix the butter and the flour until you form crumbs. Then go ahead and start adding your cold water gradually while you mix with your hand. So for making chicken sausage roll, you don't need to knead your dough for too long. So once you form a dough, go ahead and take it out and place the dough on a clean surface. Then add another butter and mix in the butter into the dough. So after you are done mixing in the butter into the dough, go ahead and use a rolling pin to roll the dough to flatten it. So once you are done flattening your dough, cut out the edges of the dough to form a rectangular shape. Then go ahead and spread the soft butter on your flattened dough. So after spreading butter on your flattened dough, go ahead and fold the dough and keep on repeating the same process for at least 4 to 5 times. Once you are done folding your dough, wrap the dough with a cling film and put in your refrigerator to chill for about 30 to 40 minutes. So next, prepare your chicken sausage. Go ahead and pour the sausage into your mixing bowl. Then mash the chicken sausage. So once you form crumbs with your chicken sausage, then proceed to adding your spices and herbs. So all the spices and herbs which I'm going to be adding into my sausage are listed on your screen. And after adding all the spices and herbs, just give your sausage a quick stir. Then after that, set the chicken sausage aside. So 30 minutes later, we are going to work on the dough now. You just need to unwrap the dough, then use your rolling pin to flatten the dough. flattening your dough, use your spatula to scoop in your chicken sausage mixture on your flattened dough. And when adding your sausage mixture on your flattened dough, make sure you add it on a straight line. Then go ahead and fold, then start rolling your chicken sausage roll. After rolling, then go ahead and cut the chicken sausage roll into 7 portions. Then take out your baking tray, spread a baking sheet on it, then arrange the chicken sausage roll on your baking tray. After arranging your chicken sausage roll on your baking tray, use your kitchen knife to make a line cut on the rolls, and make sure that the line cut is not deep. Next, brush your chicken sausage roll with egg wash, and while doing this, make sure you switch on your oven to preheat it for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you start baking. After brushing the sausage roll with egg wash, then transfer your sausage roll into your oven. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. 25 minutes later, take out your chicken sausage roll from the oven. In case if your sausage roll is not done after 25 minutes, you can extend the timing and bake for more minutes. So guys, as you can see, my chicken sausage roll came out very nice and delicious. You can also try out this recipe at home. And if you enjoy watching my video, please don't forget to like and share this video. A big shout out to all my new and old subscribers.